This is the fourth floor terrace in Basveshwar Nagar. We did some renovation work. So this door completely with frame and wheel work, everything we installed. This is the Century lamination and Godrej locks and toughened glass we fixed. This is like a studio flat and terrace completely we did the interiors. See this backside also. Backside we put some good handles and locks and Godrej lock system and completely false ceiling. And this bathroom plus fourth floor terrace. Come, this bathroom we create complete construction and we fix that jogger, sanitary ware and wash machine mixer and lights, mirror and false ceiling lights and enclosure. This enclosure like a open type and closing type. This is the 4 feet only. We have 4 feet. So this is the one. 4 feet and Jaguar hybrid flush tank and Jaguar EWC. And this wash station mixer is hot and cold. The geyser is behind the wall. We fixed the geyser and motorized for the boosting pump. And this shower completely with the hand shower. Hand shower and the health opposite. And this with covered rod. Because 1 feet shower enclosure will be there, fixed glass, and this 3 feet will be openable. So we provided good vanities here. This is the vanity we provided, and both granite. And this is the door for veneer door. Veneer door. And this is like a studio flat. This is tiles we installed, all the lights we installed completely. See this false ceiling. This false ceiling we installed false ceiling everything, and the tiles we laid, and washing machine. It's a studio flat. It's a washing machine we installed. After that here wooden floors completely, wooden floor, and this is the natural plant. This is the good pergola. This is the good pergola we installed with toughened glass. This is the tables and bevels we filled side as per the architect design. This is the CNC cutting completely with lights, with mangrove tiles, and this is the natural garden. This is the natural garden we created with pergola with toughened glass completely. So yes, 50%. ಓಡುತ್ತಾ ಹಾಂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. And this is the like a bedroom with all slides. a bedroom, and this is the sit-out area and recreation. This is the recreation hall completely. Thank you for watching DNR complete setup for the renovation and new interiors work. Thank you for watching.